Hey, this is Annie, and today we're going to go over how to start a sticker shop. So it's going to go over the supplies that we used, the cost breakdown of that, and it'll just be a walkthrough of that. So hopefully this video will actually make it so that it's easier for you to actually know what you're getting into if you're thinking about opening up a sticker shop. So it's a realistic look at it, and of course afterwards we're gonna go over us packaging and shipping out our very first orders. So that should be fun, and let's get lucid. A little disclaimer, I think it felt hard to start up a sticker shop because one, of all of the work that had to be done, but aside from all of the work that had to be done, the other thing that made it really hard was what supplies should I choose from, right? And so there are a multitude of brands out there, there's different price points, and so something to consider is what's your budget and what is the outcome that you're looking for, how long do you even intend to having a sticker shop. So those are some of the things to think about, and in this video I'm just gonna go over the things that we personally use. So yeah, don't take it as a guide of what exactly to get, but rather just think about the different options out there. But this will cover a general look at the supplies needed. So let's get started with that. You need a printer, right? And so this is the printer that we have. This is the Canyon Pixma IP8720. And with the printer, the next item that you need is a cutter. So what we have is the Cricut Explore Air 2. But I've actually heard better things regarding the Silhouette. And if you can't afford that, if that's not in your budget, then you can go the old school fashioned way. The old school fashioned way, which is using your scissor and hands. So cut it manually. And with all of those two main items, of course, you need something to print on. So this is the paper that we use. We use the online label weatherproof sticker sheet as well as the standard sticker paper. And the other tip is though, with the sticker paper, what you can do is you can actually go on their website and you can request for some test samples. So that's something that I don't think a lot of people out there mention, but if you ever want something to be printed, and this goes for cards as well, if you're getting that printed elsewhere, you can always ask for some samples to see some samples of what that might look like. And in the case of the sticker paper, you can ask to have some samples of what that might feel like, and when you print it out, what that might look like as well. So go ask for some samples. And what else? So you have your printer, you have your cutter, you have your sticker paper. Then the next item at hand is you need something to design your stickers on. So whether you're using an iPad / Procreate, or if you're using a laptop / Adobe, or you're using the combination of the two, which is what I'm doing. So that's what you'll need. And once you get that printed out, once you get that cut, the next thing is you need something to photograph it with, which, you can use a camera, you can use a phone. So those are the main items that you need. Also, packaging, right? So we actually use these card and these envelopes, and then we have our packaging, which what we use to package is these glassine bags. Then of course, with all of that, you have to consider there's also fees for the website you're hosting it on, and the transactional fees that might come along with that as well, / that will come along with that. So with that, you have to really love the process in order to commit to it, and that's what my sister and I did. So we have committed. And with the sticker shop, this is our packaging / our shipping off of the first order. So hopefully that's interesting to watch. It took a lot longer than we intended it to, but that's okay. slash that's cool because we eventually figured it out and now it's a much smoother operation. Alright, so we were about to film. Oh, wait. Okay, so we were about to drop these mail off and we forgot one order, so good thing we double checked these. But yeah. Gotta put on the gloves.
Roll up the sleeve so that nothing touches. Oh, we should have brought sanitizer. We can do that next time. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's already filming. So thank you for the love and support from those who have ordered and those who actually watch this video slash give likes and comments and whatnot to the other social media platforms. Those are always super duper appreciated because, to be super honest, the creative journey is kind of hard slash really hard. But it always makes it easier when those comments slash those hearts slash those likes slash, you know, love and support is shown. So thank you for that. And with that, aside from liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing, I'll see you around for the next video whenever that is. And until then, take care and keep shining.